Saan na yung unbox natin? Ito page, oh. Page 3.1. Hanapin mo na.
Dito. Parts of the
Ayan,
plant.
the plant parts. Okay.
Plants are everywhere. There are many. Ito ay ano eh, puro connect eh. There are many kinds of plants that survive in different numbers. Bakit ito ano eh, puro connect oh. Ito, there are many kinds of plants that naka-connect yung there are many kinds of plants eh, that naka-connect ito oh, naka-connect yung mga words. Hindi naman word ito eh. Ito oh, there are many kinds of plants that hindi word eh. Yung there, ito oh, kita mo dito. Ang dito, kita mo dito. May siya, nako-connect siya. Nagko-connect siya eh.
Yung?
Konti lang yung space eh.
Ano?
Konti lang yung space. Parang nako-connect sila eh.
Ano?
Nako-connect.
Sige na.
Plants are everywhere. There are many kinds of plants that survive in different environments. Whatever the species, plants survive because of their parts that function together to meet their basic needs. Do you know what these parts of a plant are? Let us find out. Plants and animals are very important. People and animals get their food mainly from plants. Without plants, people and animals would not be able to survive. Plants are classified as living things like you. They are made up of different parts. They have roots, stem, and leaves. Each of these parts plays as an important function to keep the plant healthy. Some plants also bear fruits and flowers. Below is an illustration of the different parts of a plant. Study and keep them in mind. Leaf, fruit, flower, stem, and root. The root is underground, and the flower is in the leaves.
Ito, may flower mo diyan. Kita mo, may flower siya. Ayan, may flower siya.
And the fruit is here, and the leaf is there. These are leaves. These are leaves.
Leaves yan, marami.
Leaves.
Yung roots, anong function ng roots yan?
Yung nakukuha ng nutrients sa soil.
Tabasa mo. Roots?
Roots. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. They grow down into the soil. They hold the plant in the ground to stand upright. Small plants have small and soft roots. Trees have big and hard roots. The root tip or root hair takes up water containing small amounts of minerals. Stem. The stem supports the branches and the leaves. The stem transports water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the leaves. In a tree, the stem is hard and big and is called a trunk. The trunk is covered by a thick layer called bark. Leaves. Leaves are attached to the stem of a plant. The most important function of the leaves is to make food for the plants through the process called photosynthesis. The leaves use water, air, and sunlight to make food. The water enters the roots and passes through the stem and reaches the leaves. The air gets into the leaves through small openings. The sunlight is absorbed by the leaves and is used as energy to start the process of making food. Flowers. Flowers are usually the most colorful part of a plant. It is where you can find the reproductive plant parts of a flower. The male part is called stamen, while the female part is called pistil. Its petals attract insects and birds to pollinate them so more flowers can grow. Concept check. Write the function of the plants. 1 stem. 1 dot stem. 2 dots leaves. 3 down roots. 4 down flowers. Summary. Plants have different parts to live and grow. Most plants have leaves, stems, and roots. Some plants have flowers and fruits. Did you know that you can visit the strawberry farm in La Trinidad Benguet? Strawberry is the only fruit that bears its seeds on the outside. The average strawberry fruit has 200 seeds.
200 seeds
Yes.
a year or no?
200.
You can visit the strawberry farm in La Trinidad Benguet. Di ba nakapunta na tayo, remember?
No.
Nakapunta na tayo ka na. Video pa nga si Daddy, di ba? La Trinidad Benguet.
When did we go there?
Ha?
When did we go there?
Video ko yung ni Daddy lang sa YouTube. Bro, nagpunta ka na katang kita niya, bro.
Where did
Pag-restore kaya ka, 6 years old.
World Bank. Bark, sunlight, photosynthesis, trunk,
What is
crystal.
photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is
Is the process of making food in the plants.
oh, very good. Si Mother about pistil, pistil, di ko alam.
It's like a female. It's a female part of the flower.
Itong bark.
It's the trunk is covered by a thick layer called bark. The bark is called the thick layer that covers the trunk. Oh, man!
Ano mo di?